Hello there everyone, I'm Crazy Caleb, and today we are taking a look at the block. So this one is a very simple module. All we have to do is essentially go through these many rules here, and figure out which side of the net, or perhaps the block as well, we need to press. So let's go through each of these rules, because it is very simple. But first, before I'm actually going to do that, what we need to do is define our sides of the faces here. So from this front view, as you can see here, this is side 2, this is side 3, and this is side 6. So what we need to do is we can use this net here, as you can see here, and let's identify each of the other faces here. So from 2, we can go to the left 1, and that will give us our first face right here. That's our first side right there, first side being a yellow. And then from 3, we can go down 2, and that'll give us our 4th and 5th faces. So 2, 3, the 4th is our red right there, and the 5th is also a red. And if we go right from that space, it gives us the 6. So that's how our faces are defined here. So what we need to do is disarm the module. Bob loves the block. If his indicator is lit, nope, it's not present, but this is basically our unicorn. If his indicator is lit, there are 3 batteries in 2 holders, and an empty port plate. You would simply press the block 5 times. This is why this is actually interactable here, so let's not press that. So otherwise, if the parallel ports are greater than 0, yes, serial ports are greater than 0, and side 4, let's take a look here, 2, 3, 4, side 4 is green, no, it is red in this case, as it is. So no, that is not true. Otherwise, if the serial number contains a vowel, let's check. Yes, it does. And there's an unlit SIG indicator, or SIG in this case. No, there's only an unlit IND in this case. So moving on to the next rule. Otherwise, if batteries are greater than 2, yes, and side 1 is red, side 1 is right here, so no, it is yellow. We would press side 5, so no. Otherwise, if blue sides are greater than red sides, and yellow sides are greater than green, let's check. So blue greater than red. We have 1, 2 blue, and 3 red. Nope. Otherwise, if yellow sides equals 0, we have 1 right here, so no. If side 2 is yellow, and side 3 is blue, side 2 is blue, so no, and side 3 is red, so nope. Otherwise, if the lit indicators equals 0, we have 1, so nope. Otherwise, if port plates equals 2, 1, we only have 1 indicator, we only have 1 port plate, excuse me. If side 5 equals blue and side 1 equals green, side 5 is red in this case, and side 1 is yellow, so no. Otherwise, if batteries equals 0, well no, we have 4 batteries. Otherwise, if DVID is greater than 0, no. We only have these 2 ports right here. If red sides is greater than blue sides, that is the case. So let's follow what this rule asks us to do. Press side 1, then side 4. Now, hold on, don't press the block just yet. What it means by side 1 and side 4 is it's actually going to correspond to the net right here. So we're going to press side 1 first, and then side 4. So let's press side 1 here, and side 4.
Very well done.
The colors cycling do not matter, so don't worry about that. Let's take a look at another example. And this is obviously heavily edge dependent, but it really doesn't go that far. Any Bob indicators? No. Otherwise, if parallel is greater than 0, yep, serial port is greater than 0, yeah. And side 4, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. And side 4 is green. Press the first green side in the net. So let's check. We have face 1 is yellow, face 2 is red, face 3 is red, face 4 is a green, face 5 is a yellow, and face 6 is a blue. So it turns out that is actually the only green side. So we are going to press, essentially, side 4. And that shows up the module.
Is an acceptable answer. That's absolutely brilliant.
And that's the solved module. Let's take a look at one more, as these rules can be a little confusing. Bear with me. So, let's take a look. Do we have any bob indicators? No, we do not. If parallel is greater than 0, yes. If serial is greater than 0, yes. And side 4 is green. No, in this case, side 4 is going to be blue. That rule does not apply. If the serial number contains a vowel, yep, we have an India and an echo, has an unlit SIG indicator. No, we only have a lit FR Quebec. If batteries is greater than 2, yep, it is. And side 1 is red. No, side 1 is green in this case. So nope. Moving on to the next rule. If blue sides is greater than red sides, no, there's 3 red and there's 1 blue, so no. If yellow sides equals 0, indeed it does. Press all sides in numerical order. So essentially what this is asking us to do is we're gonna press all of them in numerical order. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is the right answer.
And just like that is a solved module. As always, thank you guys for watching. Stay crazy, stay cool, and don't explode. See you guys. Bye-bye.